In this video demonstration, we will look at creating a frequently asked questions document for students' induction. We will use Microsoft Copilot for this example. I'm going to ask the AI tool, can you help me write an FAQ section for a university induction? My aim here is to generate a list of questions and answers that learners could read at the beginning of the year. As we can see, the AI tool has generated a series of questions and answers. Then I can ask what else should be in the FAQ. As we can see, it's generating more content with questions and answers. Now we have generated some FAQs, review the content and make sure it's suitable for the institution and learners. Perhaps provide a bit more detail when we put this into a Word document or share it on a VLE. Finally, to organise the FAQ document, I could ask Microsoft Copilot, please group by category, general information, academic information and campus life. My aim here is to organise the questions so learners can jump to the section that they need quickly. AI tools are good at making suggestions and ideal to be used as an assistant in this way. This sort of task could be performed in most AI tools.